So here we are on a typical stop. We go to these big truck stops because it's easy to get in and out. You know, we usually can park right beside each other like this, and the kids can go in the RV and do their business, eat a little snack. Over here we can pick up everything. Since the RV is diesel, we need DEF. It's a fluid that you put in for the exhaust so that it's not black anymore, from what I understand. So yeah, this is one of the places we stop. It's really noisy, so it's not a great place to tell you guys any kind of story. So I'll try to make it quick. But yeah, in these places we have scales. We weigh the RV now and then to make sure that we're balanced out. We can refill our LP. These big truck stops are big enough so that the RV can go over here on this side. And it just makes it a lot easier. And they usually have some kind of fast food, McDonald's, Burger King. Over here is a Hardee's. We usually get a little bit of fries for the kids, you know, that kind of stuff. But yeah, typical travel day. Yeah, one more little note, we're on our way to Virginia somewhere. Like always, I forgot the name. I forgot the name of the thing, of the park. So, it's an Army Corps of Engineer park though. I haven't told you guys about those. We stay at those every now and then where it's appropriate. And this time they had the best kind of situation going on to the area where we wanted to go through. So we're staying there overnight, and we'll show you guys all about it. Hi, Axel. So we just landed. We're gonna go ahead and sit the kids down on the picnic table over here. The park ranger gave them a whole bunch of stuff to color and stuff like that. So you guys ready to do some coloring? Well, Papa and Daddy set up the RV? All right. All right, Daddy, you ready? Yeah. Well, that's how an easy level should look like. We didn't want to seem like we didn't know what we were doing. How about you?
Yeah.
What happened to your hair?
You cut it.
Did I?
I'm going to put 2 carpets.
Well, let's put one out first and we'll see how that goes. What do you think? Okay. All right, here we go. You ready, Chief? Or you want to sit here and color? You can sit here and color. So we're just basically resting up just a little bit, and then we're gonna go explore and see what's around us. We go to a few Army Corps of Engineer parks, boondocking at some of them, the ones that don't have power. It's very inexpensive, and the sites are almost always really great. This one is like a postage stamp. Brian was concerned that we couldn't even get in here. I think we impressed a couple of the neighbors. But the RV is not that big. It's deceivingly, it looks big. But you know, 32 physical feet is, you know, that's most trailers really. It's just a little taller than most, that's all. But here we go. Leave the scooter over there, baby. Over there by the tree where Emma is. Get it out of the walkway so that people can walk through. There you go, big man. Okay, so this is quite a find. What do you think of the beach?
It looks awesome.
Oh my goodness. It's really windy. It's almost like a storm is threatening. We're not getting in the water right now. We'll get in the water tomorrow.
Okay.
Right now we're just checking it out. Look at this place.
And look, there's a little rock in there.
This is so cool. You found the funnel? A microphone?
Uh-huh.
I think that was a funnel.
Funnel.
Yeah.
That's where your voice comes out.
That's right. That's a megaphone. If you're using it so that your voice comes out, it's called a megaphone. Yeah, those are vultures. Yeah, there must be something dead over there. We don't want to get too close, but those are called vultures. Oh my, lots of vultures. It is a giant fish they're eating, a big dead fish. No, it's not moving because it's dead. That's what the vultures are eating. It's like the Tasmanian devil, remember?
From wildcats?
Yes, from wildcats. The Tasmanian devil eats dead fish. I mean, eats dead things, and so do vultures. It smells, doesn't it? A little bit. I know. So I continue to be impressed by this park. It's just so beautiful here. There's parks like this that we come to. Brian and I were just talking about it, that when we get here, we're like, oh my goodness, we're leaving in 3 days, 2 days. So we usually stay 3 or 4 nights. You know, that's kind of our rhythm. 3 or 4 nights and then back on the road to see some new places. And every once in a while you get to a park like this, and all you can think is, oh, we're leaving so soon. Because it is beautiful. It's just breathtaking, and there's so much to do. The kids are going nuts over the beach. That beach is insane. It's so beautiful. It looks like you're on a deserted island or something with all the trees and stuff. It's so cute. Bald eagles flying overhead, some type of crane with a big crest in the back. Just gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. Even the logs, the fallen logs and the weathered trees that have been cut down, just breathtaking. I don't know if I'm a sap for loving stuff like that, but Brian's like, look at that one over there, go take a shot. So I'm running down the hill getting a picture of the stump so that you guys can see it. But yeah, just really, and $26 a day, and that's when all is said and done. Meaning over here, for some reason in Virginia, there's no tax for this park. I don't know if it's a government thing or whatever, but it's 26 bucks. That's it. That's everything. So really nice. I mean, that's good, especially for what it's got, of course, and just majestic.
Daddy and I have been practicing. Come on, sing it. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Only fun is to ride in one but open sleigh. And one but open sleigh. Over the hills we go. Hey, jingle
Christmas in July.
I'm trying to sing it for Christmas.
I'm sorry I interrupted.
Okay.
Please continue.
Did we just start the song over?
Yeah, you do, because it's the Baba
No more interruptions.
I can be in the band.
As long as you can hold, as long as you cannot.
Can I be Yoko?
No.
No.
Come on, you can be Papa still after. Then you can be Yoko and Christmas.
Then I can be Yoko.
Axel, how about you can be the band?
Excuse me.
It used to have a little plug thing that you plug it in.
I know, I think it went electronic. It went, what do you call it? It went,
Wireless.
it went wireless.
What?
Yeah.
We're pretending
You gotta go pee.
Go. I was wondering what you were doing there.
And Axel.
This is a family show after all. You don't want to be in the band?
I do want to be in the band.
Oh, you do want to be in the band? Which part you want to play? Why don't you play the drum? Here.
Come on, sing with us, Papa.
Gotcha.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Get up,
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Over the hill we go. Laughing all the way.
I'll do Morocco. Or castanets. Castanets. The end. Now you gotta take a bow.
It's not the end yet.
Okay.
Oh, it's not
Longer.
the end.
Okay, let's see.
How about
Coco.
Coco?
I only know how to play Coco on my guitar. I don't know how to sing it.
So I have to say goodbye. Remember me. Don't let it make you cry. Or even if I'm far away, you'll hold me in your heart. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember me.
At some point we gotta take a bow.
Don't let it make you cry.
You know, by the time you get your drums ready, the concert is gonna be over.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, how about a different one now?
I haven't finished.
Okay, that was 6 minutes long. Most songs are about 6 minutes.
Most sing.
It's like 12, like 18 minutes.
It's a timed song.
Or even if you're far away, you'll hold me in your heart. In a band.
You don't pluck with this hand, you pluck with this hand.
Oh.
See the strings right here? Where they cross the hole in front of the hole? That's where you pluck the strings. This whole neck is for holding the string. And now you take a bow.
I don't take bows when I sing.
You don't take bows? You just tell the audience, you're the lucky ones.
You should take a bow, like thank you for watching.
For listening to
Thank
my
you for listening to my music.
beautiful song.
There you go.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you for watching the show.
You're-
Have a nice day. Thank you for watching the...
This place is just so cool. Here I am hunting a crane down. It's a crane of some sort. Very, very interesting coloring. But of course they're very difficult to see. I love it because every campsite has its own trail to the water. Oh, there he went. Oh, I keep missing him. Oh, I gotta carry some of these little freshwater clams for the kids. Those are little mussels, little clams. And when the bird eats them, it eats the mussel that's hiding inside. It's able to pry it open.
And the guts stick out?
Not until the bird opens the shell. But that's what the bird eats. It's a big crane I'm trying to get a hold of, but I only got this one shot of it.
Look, Daddy. The bird ate the mussel.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to go exploring all these trails that go onto the water?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, your excitement is about to kill me. I don't think they want it anymore. You know why?
Because they ate the mussel?
That's right, because they already ate it. So the shell is all yours, buddy. What, buddy?
That's a fish.
Oh, we're not at the right place. That's somewhere else. Over here, we're watching bald eagles fish. They're diving into the water over here. Papa's just terrible at catching them doing it. It's really stormy and windy, isn't it?
Big bald eagle.
Yeah, that's as far as we go down these rocks.
Right there. See
Yeah.
the spines on us? No. Skeleton.
It's a skeleton fish.
Ooh.
A bird ate it, I'm sure. Maybe an eagle or an osprey. I think I see an osprey here.
Look, it got
Dragged.
dragged up here.
It got dragged. That's so funny.
Drag mark. That's funny.
Yeah, it's funny that you see the drag
The
mark.
drag track.
Yeah.
I can see the
You can't see the tracks of the...
Papa,
Yes.
I can see the skull
Cranes don't do that, do they?
I don't think so. I think it's only raptors. Yes, you can see the skull.
It almost looks like a catfish of some sort.
Yeah, like a bottom feeder.
Yeah, it's a bottom feeder because the,
Yeah,
those
the spines and everything.
spine.
Look at, I can see the tailbone.
You see that?
Awesome. Papa, I bet you can take a picture of that dead fish.
I did take a picture of the dead fish.
Where?
And I got a picture of us talking on it. Well, you'll be able to see when I make the movie.
Can we see the dead fish?
Can we see the dead fish again?
Yeah.
What a great place. This is just awesome. I can't believe it's a Army Corps of Engineer park. The sites are always so level and strong. A lot of times they have no power, so you kind of just deal. But the sites are so awesome. And usually not a lot of people are in there, especially the ones that don't provide electricity. Often we have them completely to ourselves. And those are so awesome. You know, it's really nice to be able to relax in a place where it's just us. Storm clouds. Storm clouds. And right overhead, clear blue sky. Isn't that how life's supposed to be?